Welcome to the Ocean of Languages. Hi guys, I'm Ravi sir, sitting in a very relaxed mode. And why I'm so relaxed today? Because it's rainy day. I'm also enjoying lots of rain today, and of course, it is very pleasant day. And of course, Devika and Adya, I hope that you both are very happy today. No?
Yes, sir, we are very happy.
Okay, that's good because since from the morning it has been raining
Raining, yeah.
continuously. Even you won't believe I wait myself, right? And I was feeling so cool, so nice, so well.
Okay.
Anyhow, now let us come to the topic.
The
Like
point.
the previous topic was Corona crisis, and you both were really very means good, right? You people expressed your and views, good views, shared your views, and it was terrific, right? So even kids, I hope that you people got lots of information about Corona, how to deal with Corona, and how we can get away from Corona. Very simple thing
Sir,
is
that
like
you want to say something now that our comments are open now?
yeah, of course. I'm really very happy that comments box is finally open, and we are
You
also getting.
and you can and the guys also can comment on it.
Of course, now they can, of course, comment. They can give us feedback. They can also give their own suggestion, express their own views. And the most important thing that I would like to say, Shivika and Adya, that like lots of more information we will be providing to kids, to children, and of course the adult ones as well, elder people as well. Not only the kids, but their parents as well. That how to deal with corona, because that is very important point, right? And I still feel that social distancing, sanitizer, as Adya suggested, is sort of like a solution, I should say. Vaccination is very important. If somebody has not gone to vaccination center, please go, do hurry up, take instant action, go to vaccination center, get vaccinated, and try to be safe, dear, because after all vaccination is very very important. I'm telling you, otherwise your life would be in great risk. And if suppose you are getting vaccinated, whether it is Covaxin, right, or simple, very simple, Covaxin is there, or even Covishield is also there. So you get any one of the vaccination vaccine, and you will be at least very safe. You will be feeling relief. You won't be fearing from going outside. You can go anywhere, but then with precautions, with lots of things that you need to have. Anyhow, today we are coming to very interesting topic, and the topic is children English.
English, the importance.
Yeah, I don't know why there are so many children, small children, kids. They simply fear and they feel that English is very difficult. Adya, do you think that English is difficult? Would Adya, who do you think whether English is really difficult?
No, English is not difficult in our life.
Okay, so Adya, please give some suggestion to kids, little kids, to your friends. Why do they feel that English is very difficult language? I do feel that no, English is like any other language. It is very much like Hindi. Of course, it is not our language. It is not our like mother language. But still, we can learn it. What do you say in this respect? Yeah.
Children don't fear with English. You talk with your father, mother, sister, and brother with English and learn English.
Very good. That's a very good suggestion, kids, little children. You all are, like rising birds, and so please don't worry. Don't take it as a phobia. You can learn English very convincingly. Okay, now I would like to ask some question from Shivika. Shivika, what do you think? What is your opinion in this regard, in terms of like English language? If I say, so how do you think how we can learn English? Your
Sir, I think about English language that it is not very difficult. I think some children would fear about this English, and they didn't speak. That's why the English language is not popular in India, whether in children's. So guys, please speak in English with your father, mother, relatives, sisters, neighbor, etc.
One thing more, Shivika, I will say that like of course we are Indians, and in India, most of the people do speak in Hindi. Even our parents, our siblings, they do also speak in Hindi. But yeah, one thing that you really told very good, that we can create English culture, isn't it? Like we can easily create English culture here, right? So that can happen. Of course, we can also learn like grammar.
Yes,
Right, English grammar is very important. What do you say in this way?
I think grammar is just some children, not people, some children would say that I don't love grammar, or some people say I love grammar. So, grammar is also very easy thing. We will learn tenses very easily, simple present, simple past, etc. And we will learn the narration and the essays, the letter writing, etc.
So kids, yeah, you're very true. Shivika is very true, kids. She is telling absolutely right that see, English grammar is very important. That is the backbone of English language, and some of the important topics like tenses. Tenses are very important thing. If you go through tenses, you do brain exercise means you cover lots of drills, you make lots of sentences, you go through the structures, and if you
I want to say something. Guys, there is one app, the Duolingo app, and some YouTubers also say that Duolingo is the best learning app about English language. So, in the Corona crisis video and in the description, that there is the link of that Duolingo app. So, download it from the description box of Corona crisis video. Okay?
Of course, Shivika is telling very right. There are so many apps nowadays coming up every other day. Of course, you can get used to those apps. They are very helpful in learning English. And beside that, I urgently feel that English grammar, that should be the center of study, center of main attraction. So that should be the main focus. If you are making lots of tenses, you are making if you are doing translation work, you are making lots of the sentences of simple present, present continuous, so they will be very much helpful. Means one thing that you are learning to make sentences. At the same time, you are also learning how to bring those sentences in practical world. So that way it is very right. Okay, one thing more I will ask you, Shivika. Like, if you go to like England, so do you think you can easily talk to them in English?
I think so. I speak in English because the English is originated at the England.
Yeah, you're very true. Yeah, if suppose we are knowing good English, why not we can interact with anyone in this world? Like if yeah, whether it is England, Australia, France, or anywhere in the world, like most of the people, they are learning English, right? Whether even those countries where English is not an official language or common language, there also like people are learning English, like Japan, then China, so many countries. Anyhow, okay, Shivika, can you tell me why English is rising, growing more and more in India? Means why the demand of English is increasing nowadays? Shivika.
Shivika. Okay. I think so that the English demands were very high about this. About our India, because Some people even speak in English in India even, and the demands of English is very important because the sir and me also said you that grammar part and the grammar when the Britishers were came in the past India, so India is what, sir?
Yeah, you're very true. Like when Britishers came in India, they simply like they ruled over us, and at that time
The
English
education.
was the
The English
main subject. That was the
Yes.
core subject. So ultimately, almost everyone had to learn English. From that period, English, the demand of English has been increasing, and now I feel due to MNCs coming up in India, there are so many MNCs working in India now. So I think with the rise of globalization, liberalization, so many MNCs have stepped up in our country, and due to these MNCs, the demand of English is more increasing. Okay, now I would like to ask some question from Adya Kashmir. Adya. So Adya, you tell me one thing. Like, are you confident in making sentences?
Yes, I confident in making sentences, and in 2-3 days I learn tenses.
Okay, Adya, I will ask you some sentences of simple present. Can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The very first sentence, हम एक ही छत के नीचे रहते हैं.
We live in one terrace.
हाँ, means we live under the same roof, we live under the same terrace, or you can also say we live in the same house. Okay. Now, second second question is, मेरी बहन बहुत मेहनती है.
My sister is very hardworking.
Very good. Third sentence is, निवेदिता मुझे बहुत प्यार करती है.
Nivedita loves me very much.
मैं निवेदिता को बहुत प्यार करती हूँ.
I also love Nivedita very much.
So
Okay.
who is Nivedita?
Can you tell me, Adya, who is Nivedita?
Nivedita is my very small sister.
Okay. So here, kids, you are saying that Adya Kashvi is so comfortable with English, she is able to make sentences. I am going to ask
Sir.
few more questions from Adya. Adya, now, what can you say about yourself? Are you really comfortable in speaking English? How do you feel now after making sentences?
I am feeling very nice before making sentences.
Acha. What was your condition earlier when you were not knowing grammar, when you were not knowing making sentences? So, what you were feeling at that time and what you are feeling now?
At that time when I doesn't know English, so I speak
Broken English.
broken English, and in this time I know English grammar best, so I can easily talk in English.
Okay. Dear kids, dear parents, one thing I would like to tell you. She has already missed 2 years classes due to lockdown. Means for continuously 2 years she hasn't gone to school due to Corona crisis, a very big menace, a big disaster in our country, and moreover she has also jumped one class. So she is still a kid, right? So, and being a kid, she is able to answer the questions so comfortably. That's a very good thing. So, children, I will tell you one thing. English is not an uphill task. It is not an impossible task. I will like to give some opportunity to, of course, Shivika. Shivika, what do you think? Is English really an uphill task or difficult task? What do you think in this respect?
Sir, I think so that English is not very difficult task about our Indians because Indians are very intelligent about this English. Everyone should talk in English, and we know English, and some peoples also know English, but the children did not learn English because they think that what do we learn about that English? It is our
They simply think that no, English is
Not
not
a-
useful in
not
daily
useful
life,
in daily life.
and that I feel is very wrong.
Yes.
Okay, Shivika, I will ask you, like when you go for when someone goes for job interview, right, in a multinational company or in any company, uh, what is to which language is given more importance? Which language is given considered more?
The importance is given to English because
Yeah, of course, yeah.
English, some children said that English is not very important subject, but they didn't know that English is very much important in our daily life and in the future also.
Of course, children and your parents, please, this is the time now. If you haven't woken up from the slumber, please wake up, guide your children, and try to encourage them to learn English. After all, English is very important language. English is now the main source, main medium of communication. So, if suppose they started from now, so certainly a day will come when they will have good communication skill. They will have conviction in their voice. They will have perfection and maturity in their communication. And once they become the master of English, certainly they can rise high and high, and they can go beyond uh, their own destination, from where they can feel that they are on cloud 9. With this, Sivika, what do you think? Like any last message? Otherwise, I want to now wind up the things. So should I wind up, or would you like to give some more message, convey some message to parents, to kids?
I want to say that, sir, can I show Nivi to us, to them?
Okay, Nivi, just come on.
Wait for.
Nivi, she is very small. She is hardly in she jumped one class. Now she is in first. Otherwise, she could have been in UKG only. So she is just hardly 6-year-old kid, and she will introduce. She will give some introduction. Nivi, please introduce yourself. Myself. Tell something on myself.
She is our sister,
Yeah.
youngest sister.
She is your youngest sister, and she is very loving, affectionate girl.
Yeah.
Okay, very pretty.
My name is Nivedita. I am 5 years old. My father name is Sujit Kumar Mishra. My mother name is Sunal Kumari. My sister name is Adhya Kashvi and Shivika Shikhi. My hobby is badminton. My favorite color is red. Pink. My favorite
Forgetting?
Forgetting you.
Anyway, what is the name of your school, Nivi?
my school name is Chance World School.
Do you like your teacher very much?
Which teacher did you like?
Rekha ma'am, Sudhakar sir, Sumedha ma'am. Who do you like very much?
Rekha ma'am. Okay.
Okay. With this, of course, we would end of this session. Thank you very much, kids. Thank you very much, parents, for listening us, bearing us, and enjoying us. Thank you very much.